So we've got some millings that are coming in today to help finish out the lot a little better than it is. So we'll get a video of them dropping a load, and then I'll push some of this out. Let me start pushing some of these piles down. Okay. A little.
That's full.
Huh?
That's
Yeah. It's a little lumpy. Try to keep a line along here, but whenever we get another load, I'll pick up a bucket full and I'll just drop a little bit coming right up to it so I can make a nice line here. Yeah, this is going good. It's a lot more coverage than I thought we were gonna have. And then what we need a load here. Yeah, you already marked them. Cover this gravel, then pushing it a little over onto the Ecotech here. Probably gonna go to, like, I don't know if we're gonna cover the whole thing. I mean, it looks like we can. Go right along here. Gotta make sure, keep this drain covered. Don't get shit in the drain. But yeah, that was, you know, just rough cut. Not trying to do anything level. It's just to prevent the grass from growing up and to prevent, really, you know, just muddy stuff whenever it rains. But now I'm gonna move the machines back over to on top of there, and it's going on 5 o'clock now, so we're about done. So he wants to back drag it with the backhoe to make it a little bit more even, because I mean, it's pretty much not twice as much, but almost twice as much weight. So I'll let you guys watch. So he did some back dragging. You know, it's just not a clean line right here, but I'll fix it whenever we get the rest of the loads. Put the machines back. Probably should have them sitting over here, but whatever he wants to do is what we do. So I'm second in command. Let me put these cones back. But yeah, that's about it for now. All right, back at it next day. Got a couple loads in. I'm gonna do a time lapse outside the vehicle this time, outside the skid.
Discord.
All right.
James?
So we got the 3 loads down.
I guess it couldn't be any stupider than, paper ballot in the box democracy. It's all equally stupid. But hey, if people want to explore different ways of doing democracy, here's a new word for you. Futarchy. F-U-T-A-R-C-H-Y. Look it up. unless you happen to be a state.
gotta fill in a little bit
on
here.
such systems of control. But anyway,
This is where I was turning, so I kept pulling it up, pulling it up.
Rising up
But
against the government. Sure.
should have worked our way over instead
decades,
of back.
generations, centuries, millennia. But you didn't see any Gen Xers getting on.
I think I need to fill this in right here. This little section.
But are they doing it for the right reasons and in the right way? And are they doing the right things, or are they just trying to get a new gang of criminals into the positions of hypocrisy? I'm holding my breath on that one. But you know what this story really brings to mind, James? We're talking about Nepal and Indonesia and Australia and protests and riots and unrest taking place around the world. It puts me in the mind of the fall of 2019. You might or might not remember at that time I wrote Your Guide to a World on Fire, in which I noted the
Alright, well that's good enough for now. We'll be back. I don't know. I might make this into one video or wait till we do all that too, but I don't know how much more millings we can get from them. So we'll end up now.